Welcome to another video. If it's your first time here, hi, my name is Nicole and I make lifestyle content with a biblical homemaking lens. I want to go to probably Walmart. I need to pick up a few essentials that I need to travel with, like things like soap, etc. And then I also need to go to Costco. I need to pick up a prescription and just restock my vitamins. So I'm traveling in like 2 days time, so I actually don't have time. There's so many things I need to do. Oof, that's loud. I need to like round up some work stuff, and there's just like a lot I need to do in like 1.5 days at this point. But I'm gonna bring you along. Yeah, we're going to Zimbabwe. It's been a long time. I haven't been in probably like 4 or 5 years. I wish I would be going under like better circumstances, but it is what it is. So I'm looking for like a small sized lotion and shower gel. All the lotions and shower gels I have are like big size, and I don't want to travel with something so big. So maybe something like this. I'm also looking for green tea, and I'm kind of particular about the green tea that I drink, so I just want to get it so that I don't have any issues. In 1.3 kilometers, turn right on. So I'm now in Costco. I want to pick up a prescription.
Yeah, so this salvage matches the salvage, so it's just like if this is folded in half, and then it's a meter long.
I want to start packing. I've already grouped or sorted out my clothes based on things I'm going to wear this week, and I'm going to put those in my hand carry, and then everything else will go into my checked luggage, just so that it's easier, because when I arrive I'm not going to have time to sort through anything. I just want to know that, okay, this is the bag that I'm focusing on. I don't use the regular suitcases when I'm traveling. I use these type of bags. They just make it easier to pack in more things and maximize my weight because they're light. I need to cut these old tags. I'm traveling economy this time. No priority. I woke up super early. My goal for the day was to pack, and I just wanted to get myself in order and get my house in order as well before I traveled. I want to bake. I'm gonna make maybe a loaf or two of bread and some scones. I also have bananas that are going bad, so I want to make banana bread with those. I typically bake every weekend, so yeah, I'm just gonna bake some. My husband has stuff. I'm sure he'll be fine when it comes to food because he's a pretty good cook, so I'll just do the baking. I really wanted to bake for my husband. We haven't had store-bought bread in I don't even remember how long. So I wanted to make sure that if he does feel like eating bread, making a sandwich, he can just get it from the freezer. And since I was making bread anyway, I threw in some extras. And like I mentioned, I needed to use the bananas. Also want to restock the kitchen, just like make sure everything is available so that when my husband wants to cook, it's easy for him. Over the past year, we've replaced the regular salsa or pap, and for my West African friends, that's your poundo, eba, gari with oats. I literally just blend it and then I make it the same way you'd make salsa. It's a more complex carb, so in my opinion, it's better. You should try it out. It's an acquired taste and texture, but it's actually really good. My husband insisted we go do something relaxing before the long and busy week ahead. I didn't really want to because it's just how busy I was and the short time frame I had to get ready. It was raining, cold the entire week, and just didn't want to leave the house unless I really had to. But he went ahead and booked the appointments anyway, and I'm so glad he did. It was a nice little self-care moment I needed before traveling.